Yes, my people. That trailer, yeah. Hotter than hot. Yeah. So anyway, it's that movie I'm starting out. It's not definitely a movie, it's a series. Meaning it can go up to 20 episodes. But only problem is we need more views on it. Please, it's when we drop it Sunday, push up your views them to 500,000. But promise you, tell me we can't go at 20. I want to go to the 14 parish with if you shoot it to the 14 parish. For sure you how I want the series go longer and better. Because guess what? We already have episode 2 done. So if you watch part 1, part 2 will come out next week Sunday. But if you don't want to come out next week Sunday, run that one here to 500,000 views and then we release it Wednesday and then our part 3 release Sunday and then make it be every 2 weeks. But me rather post it on a Sunday because you know people cook their rice and peas. And I say my sister over Florida, VM Flims, please, I'm going to put the link under that trailer here. But see name here, I'm going to put the link under the trailer. You touch it easy, go over there. Who don't know if you type up it on TV, please use your phone, go over there, subscribe, put it on the TV same way. Because it's on a Sunday, anytime my movie done, fair movie I go come up same time. So I got 2 movies on a Sunday, 2 movies on a Wednesday. I go figure out on another day in the week with her when we go post again. But for now, 2 movies on a Sunday, 1 for my channel, 1 for Fear. 2 movies on a Wednesday, 1 for mine, 1 for Fear. So the moment each show done, we have show continuing going and going. But we are going to select the next day for in the week. Please remember, subscribe. I don't know if you subscribe over there. No, bring it up 1,000 subscribers because the movie will come over there. I tell you the truth. Can't tell you what's going to happen over there. I tell you no. Kayla go crazy over there. So you must understand the movie when we are going to jump over there. Over VM. You never see Kayla do, never see what we're going to do right now. You never do it. So if you want to see it, remember, Sunday, I'm going to make sure it's just the time in my video when the movie drop. Once my movie done, my movie going to tell you what time it going to drop. So please, subscribe, like, share. God bless you all and thanks for watching. Without honor, we are nothing.
Dive in the I see if you can dive in this. Well, that boy. Hi.
Hey, why make you not come to school?
I couldn't question that. The same thing she come ask me, you ask me. You don't see difference. You don't see my nose pierced. You don't see I haven't touched you. You don't see.
Oh, sorry, my bad. I do not want to be inquisitive or, as Jamaicans would say, love.
Wait. Can you just start clicking on my brain? Can I cover my brain in the way? Who wants to tell a man say how much?
18 hours.
You know say a lie. You is a liar, Christian. You know say Christian don't tell lie.
Look who talk. You just tell the man say you're 19.
I'm not a Christian. You is a Christian and Christian should not lie.
Everybody lie. I can't remember that talking.
Where are you, sir?
No, girl.
What you mean, no?
This down there chair take some fresh air.
Oh, because you can't take it on your veranda, your yard.
Yo, where are you with?
Oh, this is a job one.
I am same one.
Where are you with?
So, where are you with them?
We speak to them.
You know, sir?
You don't see a woman and her friend.
Where woman?
She.
She?
Yeah?
And her friend?
Yeah? You're blind?
Me know me can't see clear, my boy.
How much? You know how old she be? Yeah? How old she be? 19. Listen, 19. I thought you walk around and tell the man them that you put on tattoo and pay it up. And you broke up with that, sir? I take off your gun. Hey, where you go? That idiot, you ever see big gun? You ever see big gun?
Serious boy, I go rush me, I know.
Batty boy,
Show them boy or something.
Right now, a batty boy.
Must wanna boy. Must wanna.
What's that boy?
How you go?
Remember me I go. It's still me dirty dog. You don't have time for me, you know. So I left.
How you mean it? Me not have time for you. You me a call look for.
Yeah, come look for me, you know. When last you come look for me? When last you come over here, Timmy?
I work, me I work.
Sick? 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 You have vomit?
Yeah.
Are you warm? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, you have vomit. You know what that? You know what that? That's called pregnancy. Sign of pregnancy. Vomit, fever, flu. Girl, I will breed you. Who find time breed you?
Come boy.
One man. And I see a man let me see you with.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, and you tell me that your friend. Look, girl.
And I just see when I tell him I can talk about how it are mine, because he not know.
Ah! Oh, it's all mine. In all the money. You hear me, son? I'm sick right now myself. Me feel like I'm pregnant too. So you pregnant, me pregnant. Because you look like me pregnant with you. Can you hear me, son? You hear me, son? And for me, have you, Ilya. I maintain it for your baby because you kill, you murder your mother at birth.